everybody, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Please enjoy this parody video from the TV show Severance. Hello, this is Karen D. from the Macrodata Refinement Art Lounge. The work we do is mysterious and important. We're entrusted with interpersonal nourishment. Here are the 127 steps to maximizing glee and enforcing a productive workplace. We will secure collaboration camaraderie with a jovial round of art. Let's begin. Welcome, friends, to the Macrodata Refinement Art Department here at Lumon. As you can tell, some of our colleagues did not follow instruction. They have been banned from attending the Waffle party at the conclusion of this exercise. Let's begin. And remember, your boss may own the clock that taunts you from the wall, but, my friends, the hour is yours. This is blue. This is blue. This is blue. Please enjoy each color equally. Look, under my literal nose unfolds a human drama of danger and intrigue, inspiration and love. Let's complete the process. Removing these parts helps Lumon be successful. Let's complete our project. Oh, that is only 89% complete. We must complete. Wonderful. Wonderful. How Kier, he will be so pleased. Karen D. has earned a waffle party. Please join us in the lounge to enjoy the fruits of her labor. Until next time, we will see you on the severed floor. This concludes our visit to the Macrodata Refinement Art Lounge. A handshake is available upon request. Remember, artists, that growth takes time, but happy artists will bloom more quickly. Every time you find yourself here, it is because you chose to come back. Remember, the mouth that is busy smiling cannot bite.
Welcome to the Wellness Center. I want to share some facts about your outie. These facts should bring you joy. Please enjoy each fact equally. Your outie knows a beautiful rock from a plain one. Your outie enjoys listening to Nickelback. Your outie enjoys cooked carrots. Your outie drives slow in the fast lane. Your outie thinks puppies are stupid. Your outie is just fine. We hope you enjoyed these facts. Lumon values your participation.